How to download JioCinema on Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1. Download directly from Samsung App Store. Step number 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that your Samsung Smart TV is a 2018 model or newer, as JioCinema is compatible with these models. Step number 2. Connect your TV to the internet. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 3. Access the Samsung Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub menu. Step number 4. Open the Apps section. Navigate to Apps using your remote and press Enter to access the Samsung App Store. Step number 5. Search for JioCinema. Use the search function, represented by a magnifying glass icon, and type JioCinema. Select the JioCinema app from the search results. Step number 6. Install the JioCinema app. Select Install to download and install the JioCinema app on your TV. Step number 7. Open and sign in. After installation, go to your apps list, find JioCinema, and open it. Sign in with your Jio account credentials or create a new account if needed. Method number 2. Screen mirroring from a mobile device, if JioCinema app isn't available. Step number 1. Enable screen mirroring on Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager. Enable screen mirroring or Smart View on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 2. Open JioCinema on your mobile device. Download and open the JioCinema app on your smartphone and sign in. Step number 3. Mirror to Samsung TV. For Android, use the Smart View in Quick Settings and select your Samsung TV from the list. For iPhone, use screen mirroring from the control center, then select your Samsung TV. Step number 4. Start playing content. Choose the content you want to watch on JioCinema, and it should be mirrored on your Samsung Smart TV.